This is Fraggle and Fireball, and they're outside right now. Reason being, Fraggle has been escaping, so we were trying to figure out how, and we found the reason. And Vince is fixing it, and he said, "It is such a pretty day. Let's bring them outside while I work on their cage." And they're enjoying it. They were chirping and really sounding pretty, but now they've stopped, which is kind of a bummer. So I missed it. Maybe they will do it again. Oh, there we go. So I'll just be quiet. I can't wait till they have babies. Yeah. Beautiful. I mean, Fraggle is gorgeous, but Fireball is just as gorgeous. All those different colors. Really, her plumage is beautiful now. She was beautiful when I got her, but the special stuff that we feed them so their babies are orange has really affected her feather quality. But I only have, I have 2 pair of Canaries. And then I have a single yellow. I don't know if it's a male or female. I'm going to find that out soon. And then that'll be it for Canaries. I have 3 pair so that I can have some babies, and their nest box is up. Yeah. Ooh, Fraggle, do you like it out here? And get some veggies, Fraggle? Hmm? Want to get some veggies when you go in? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. On Facebook, it's Kiku and Hoshi Dumont. I do ship. I hand feed all types of species. Pictures and videos from egg to wean when you purchase a baby from me. And then, of course, the after, the Birdie 911, and that's discussed once you purchase a bird. And I stay in touch. I don't go away because I love them. Any baby that is coming from my flock, I fall in love with because I spend so much time with them. I will let parent raise if that's requested, but I do enjoy hand feeding all of mine more so. But if someone would want to request, then I would do that. So there they are. Hope they made you smile. I hope this video really shows their beautiful colors. I can't see why it wouldn't. Ooh, it's getting windy. Thanks for watching. Tweet, tweet.